Your car's engine oil is crucial for keeping everything running smoothly, but there are so many misconceptions about oil changes that could be costing you money or even damaging your engine. Some people still believe that you need to change your oil every 3,000 miles, while others think that synthetic oil causes leaks. But are these claims actually true? The reality is, modern engines and oils have advanced significantly, making some of these old-school beliefs outdated. Understanding what's fact and what's fiction can help you save money, extend the life of your engine, and avoid unnecessary maintenance. In this video, we're breaking down 11 of the biggest myths about oil changes so you can make smarter decisions for your vehicle. Let's dive in. Myth number 1. Oil filters do not need to be replaced every oil change. Many people believe that oil filters can last through multiple oil changes, but this is a costly mistake that can compromise engine performance and longevity. Your oil filter plays a crucial role in trapping dirt, metal particles, and other contaminants that accumulate in engine oil. Over time, these impurities can build up, clogging the filter and reducing its ability to keep the oil clean. If the filter becomes too restricted, it can enter bypass mode, allowing unfiltered oil to circulate through the engine, potentially causing accelerated wear and damage to critical components. Some argue that high-quality oil filters can last for more than one oil change, but most manufacturers recommend replacing the filter with every oil change to ensure optimal performance. Modern engines rely on precise oil flow and lubrication, and an old, clogged filter can restrict that flow, leading to increased friction, overheating, and even potential engine failure over time. Additionally, different driving conditions, such as stop-and-go traffic, extreme temperatures, or towing, can put additional stress on your oil and filter, making regular replacements even more essential. While skipping an oil filter change might save a few bucks in the short term, it could lead to expensive repairs down the road. The small cost of a new filter is a worthwhile investment in keeping your engine running smoothly and efficiently for years to come. Always follow your manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule to avoid unnecessary risks and extend the life of your vehicle. Myth number 2. Synthetic oil leads to leaks. There's a persistent belief that switching to synthetic oil can cause leaks in your engine, but this is a myth rooted in outdated information. Early versions of synthetic oil, dating back several decades, lacked the proper additive technology and could degrade certain rubber seals and gaskets, potentially leading to leaks. However, modern synthetic oils are formulated with high-quality additives designed to condition and protect engine seals, helping to prevent leaks rather than cause them. In reality, synthetic oil provides superior protection compared to conventional oil. It offers better lubrication, reduces engine wear, and performs exceptionally well in extreme temperatures, whether scorching hot or freezing cold. Synthetic oil also resists sludge buildup and oxidation, keeping the engine cleaner and running more efficiently for longer periods. If an engine begins leaking after switching to synthetic oil, it's not because of the oil itself, but rather due to pre-existing issues with worn-out seals or gaskets that were already deteriorating. Conventional oil, being thicker and containing more impurities, may have temporarily masked these issues by clogging minor leaks with sludge. When switching to synthetic, which has superior cleaning properties, it can dissolve these deposits, exposing underlying leaks that were already present. The bottom line? Synthetic oil does not cause leaks. It simply reveals problems that already exist. If your engine is in good condition and properly maintained, switching to synthetic oil will only benefit your vehicle, extending its lifespan and enhancing performance. Myth number 3. Change oil every 3,000 miles. For decades, the 3,000-mile oil change rule has been ingrained in car owners' minds, largely due to aggressive marketing by oil change service providers. However, modern engines and advanced oil formulations have rendered this guideline outdated. Thanks to significant improvements in synthetic oils, engine efficiency, and filtration technology, Most vehicles today can safely go 5,000 to 10,000 miles, or even longer, between oil changes, depending on driving conditions and manufacturer recommendations. Many car manufacturers now suggest oil change intervals of 7,500 miles or more, with some newer models using high-quality synthetic oil extending that range to 15,000 miles. Sticking to the outdated 3,000-mile rule not only wastes money, but also contributes to unnecessary oil consumption and environmental waste. Used motor oil is a major pollutant, and changing it too often increases waste disposal issues, harming the environment. That being said, not all vehicles are the same. Factors like frequent stop-and-go driving, towing, extreme temperatures, and driving in dusty environments can accelerate oil degradation, requiring more frequent changes. Rather than following an arbitrary number, check your owner's manual to find the recommended oil change interval for your specific vehicle. With modern technology, following the manufacturer's guidelines will keep your engine running efficiently without unnecessary oil changes or extra expenses. Myth number 4. Dark oil is bad oil. Many car owners assume that once their engine oil turns dark, it's dirty and needs immediate replacement, but this isn't always true. In fact, dark oil is often a sign that the oil is doing exactly what it's supposed to do, cleaning and protecting your engine. Modern engine oils are formulated with detergents and additives that help break down sludge, carbon deposits, and other contaminants. As these particles are suspended in the oil rather than accumulating on engine components, the oil naturally darkens over time. Oil color alone is not an accurate indicator of oil quality. Some high-performance synthetic oils turn dark quickly due to enhanced cleaning properties, but they still retain their lubricating and protective abilities. The real concern is the oil's texture and consistency. If it becomes gritty, thick, or sludgy, that's a sign it might be time for a change. Instead of relying on oil color, follow your manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals and perform periodic dipstick checks to assess the oil's condition. If the oil feels smooth and flows well, it's still in good shape. Changing oil too frequently based on color alone wastes money and resources without providing any real benefits. The key is to trust science and manufacturer guidelines, not myths passed down over generations. Myth number 5. You can save money changing your own oil. On the surface, changing your own oil might seem like an easy way to cut costs. But when you break down the expenses and risks, the savings aren't as significant as they seem. While it's true that DIY oil changes eliminate labor costs, you still need to purchase high-quality oil, a new oil filter, and possibly specialized tools like an oil drain pan, wrenches, and a jack stand if you don't already own them. These initial costs add up quickly, especially if you only perform oil changes a few times a year. Additionally, many quick lube centers and dealerships offer competitively priced oil change packages, often including free inspections, tire pressure checks, and fluid top-offs, things you might overlook when doing it yourself. Professional services also dispose of used oil properly, while improper disposal at home can lead to environmental fines or hazards. Another risk of DIY oil changes is the potential for costly mistakes. Using the wrong oil type, over or underfilling the engine, or forgetting to tighten the drain plug properly can result in serious engine damage, leading to repairs that far exceed the cost of a professional oil change. Not to mention, many modern vehicles have oil life monitoring systems and complex filters, making it harder to follow traditional DIY methods. Ultimately, while some experienced mechanics might still prefer the DIY route, for the average driver, getting an oil change from a reputable service center is often more convenient, cost-effective, and safer in the long run. Myth number 6. If you switch to synthetic oil, you can never go back. A common misconception is that once you switch to synthetic oil, you're locked into using it forever. This is simply not true. While synthetic oil does provide better performance, improved lubrication, and enhanced engine protection. Switching back to conventional oil won't damage your engine. In reality, modern engines are designed to handle both synthetic and conventional oils, and many manufacturers even recommend synthetic blends, a mix of both. The key factor when changing oils isn't whether it's synthetic or conventional, but whether it meets your vehicle's manufacturer specifications, including the correct viscosity and industry standards. If you decide to switch back to conventional oil for any reason, whether due to cost, availability, or personal preference, your engine will continue to run smoothly as long as you use high-quality oil that meets the manufacturer's requirements. Myth number 7. Thicker oil is always better for your engine. Many drivers believe that using thicker oil provides better protection and improves performance, especially in older or high-mileage vehicles. While it's true that thicker oil can sometimes help reduce leaks and burning oil in aging engines, it's not always the best choice for overall engine health. Engines are designed with specific tolerances, meaning the oil must be thin enough to flow smoothly through tiny passages while still providing adequate lubrication and protection. If the oil is too thick, it can increase resistance, making it harder for the oil pump to circulate it efficiently. Myth number 8. You should warm up your car for several minutes before driving. Many drivers believe that letting their car idle for several minutes before driving helps the engine warm up and run more efficiently. While this was true for older carbureted engines, modern fuel-injected engines are designed to warm up quickly while driving. Idling for too long not only wastes fuel, but also causes unnecessary wear on the engine. Instead, the best way to warm up your car is to start it. Let it run for 30 seconds to a minute, and then drive gently until the engine reaches its optimal operating temperature. This method improves fuel efficiency and reduces emissions. Myth number 9. Additives improve oil performance significantly. Many people believe that adding aftermarket oil additives will enhance engine performance, improve lubrication, or extend oil life. However, modern engine oils are already formulated with high-quality additives, including detergents, anti-wear agents, and viscosity stabilizers, carefully balanced to meet manufacturer standards. Myth number 10. You must use the manufacturer's brand of oil. Many car owners believe that they must use the exact brand of oil recommended by their vehicle manufacturer, or they risk damaging their engine. The truth is, while automakers often promote their own branded oils, they are not the only option. As long as the oil meets the required specifications, viscosity, and industry standards, such as API, ILSAC, or ACEA ratings, you can safely use other high-quality brands. Sticking to the correct grade and certification is what truly matters, not the logo on the bottle. Using the right oil will keep your engine running smoothly, regardless of the brand. Thanks for watching. We hope this video helped clear up some common oil change myths and gave you valuable insights into proper car maintenance. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more tips and myth-busting videos. Have you heard any other car-related myths? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Also, make sure to turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Check out our next video for more helpful car care advice. See you in the next one.